Good morning, Clear Bra, North Dallas. Finishing up 2 Tesla Ys. We'll go over this blue one. The full front is done in XPEL Ultimate Plus. That's all that was done on this. So we'll just let you see the headlight work right to the edges, how the bumper and hood, or fender and hood, bumper and hood, edges are all wrapped in. This client didn't want the T removed, so there'll be a slight line around the T. I don't think it shows up in our video that well. And then coming around the other side, everything is nice and tight, all the edges. You don't even know the bra is on the car. There are a couple problems in the paint from Tesla, but they're very minor. I tried videoing them earlier, but they're really difficult to see. As we always do, we roll inside the fender where the door is, roll in behind the camera, all the way down. We roll in behind the plastic shroud around here, and then we come all the way tight in here. And we also roll underneath that bumper all the way. Both areas go all the way under the car. And that, my friends, is it for a Tesla Model Y full front. And the mirrors fully end to end, wrapped around the edge. And they come around partially, probably about maybe an inch down this way. And that's it. Full front, XPEL Ultimate Plus, Tesla Model Y. I'll cover the white one here in just a second. ClearBraNorthDallas.com if you have any questions.